Alright guys, we're on this Bobblehead Jake, Christian Yelich, Greensboro, Grasshopper 756. We're now live. We are live. 756, 756. I will grab the list. 10 spots. 10 spots at 8. 10 entries. Joe on top, Mitchell down on the bottom. 2 dice, 5 or higher. 7, good luck, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 times, that's the 7. Next click, top spot, good luck. And 7. Congrats, Michelangelo Nix, spot number 2. You are the winner. Get in touch with Jake, get your bobblehead. 757. We are done. We are done. 757. 757. Timestamp and verification.